Welcome to Rose Bodyshop. At Rose, we are proud to be able to offer a first-class body shop service with 3 Honda body shops in Plymouth, Liskeard and Truro, and 1 Suzuki body shop in Plymouth. We are proud to have outstanding approved body shop facilities. With state-of-the-art equipment, our Honda and Suzuki trained technicians will be able to repair your car to the highest standards, from the smallest scratch to the largest rebuild. And we don't just repair Honda and Suzuki cars. Any make or model of vehicle that's brought to us will receive the same attention to detail and hassle-free service. We understand that damaging your precious car can be an upsetting and stressful time, not forgetting how time-consuming the process can be. So our promise to you is, we only use genuine manufacturer's parts and approved materials during the repair process, which will also ensure any warranties are retained. Our experienced technicians will deliver a first-class timely service with the most cost-effective result. Facility of a non-fault accident service to ensure you are not penalised in any way if you were not the guilty party. This also includes any personal injury claims. We will liaise with your insurance company, making the process as simple and as stress-free as possible.